Upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two high-flying contenders, the Tensense GPS drone on the left and the Atop drone on the right. Buckle up because this is going to be a turbulent ride filled with laughs, facts, and maybe a crash or two. Let's get airborne! First up, the Tensense boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. This thing can capture your good side even when you don't have one. On the other hand, the Atop drone comes with a 2K 120 degrees FPV camera. It's like the Tensense's little brother, who's trying really hard but still needs to grow up a bit. With Tensense, you're getting those crisp, clear shots that could make even your cat's hairball look like a work of art. Atop's 2K is decent, but it's more like your cat's hairball just got a slightly better Instagram filter. Tensense has GPS auto return, which means it will come back to you when it's lost, out of range, or low on power. Basically, it's like a boomerang that actually works. The Atop drone also has a one-key return feature. It's like a homing pigeon, but with less poop. Tensense is the reliable friend who will always find their way back from a night out. Atop is that friend who might need a little extra help from Google Maps. Tensense offers up to 52 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. That's like having 2 rounds of a really good pizza. You just want more. Atop gives you 20 minutes, which is more like having a salad. It's good, but you're still hungry. With Tensense, you also get features like altitude hold, optical flow, and one-key takeoff/landing. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Atop keeps it simple with altitude hold and one-key takeoff/landing, making it the butter knife. Effective, but basic. Tensense can trace and follow you, fly along a path, or circle around a point. It's like having your own personal paparazzi, minus the annoying questions. Atop also has some cool tricks like voice control and 360 degrees flips. It's like a circus performer that listens to you, sometimes. Tensense is your sophisticated, well-trained drone butler. Atop is the fun-loving cousin, who's always up for a good time, but might end up in a tree. Tensense is foldable, weighs under 250 grams, and comes with a carrying case. It's so portable, it practically packs itself. Atop is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like they both went to the same fashion school, but Tensense graduated with honors. Whether you're climbing Everest or just your backyard fence, both drones are easy to carry. But with Tensense, you might just look a tad cooler doing it. Reviewers have praised Tensense for its high-quality camera, user-friendly features, and long battery life. It's often recommended as a great starter drone with advanced features for those looking to explore more without breaking the bank. On the other hand, Atop is seen as a fun, budget-friendly option that's great for kids and beginners. However, it has mixed reviews regarding its durability and battery life. Customer service for Atop has been positively noted, helping to resolve issues when they arise. So there you have it, folks. Tensense, with its 4K camera, longer flight time, and smarter features, is like the James Bond of drones. Meanwhile, Atop, with its 2K camera and fun tricks, is more like James Bond's tech-savvy but slightly clumsy sidekick. Which one's for you? The sleek, sophisticated Tensense, or the fun-loving, budget-friendly Atop? Let us know in the comments below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more hilarious and helpful comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. End screen with subscribe button and related videos. Upbeat music fades out.